What's up, Fartidos? It's me, Nocs, and welcome to my YouTube channel. For today's random video, I will be unboxing my first ever personal laptop. And this is not just a laptop, but a gaming laptop. And this is going to be different from my previous uploads as I will speak English in the entire video. So this is going to be a nose bleeding system of the nostrils down to the esophagus with the pancreas and the intestines in the stomach. Before I proceed with the unboxing, let me just share you a short story about this purchase. But if you don't want to hear my story, then go skip. So you did not skip. You want to hear my story. So this is a 50-50 shared purchase, meaning I paid 50% of it and the other half was paid by my boyfriend or partner. And we considered it as his advanced anniversary gift for me, an advanced birthday and holiday gift as well. Another reason why he invested something like this is that he said he has faith and trust that eventually this YouTube channel of mine will take off in the near future. That was so sweet and touching. Only the jowa touches my skin, my heart, and my soul. So who touches yours? Just kidding. So why I decided to purchase a laptop? It's because I don't have a personal computer or laptop here at home. As I mentioned earlier, this is going to be my first ever personal laptop. I have a company laptop, but it is intended for work purposes only. And another reason is that I only use my mobile phone for taking videos and for editing my YouTube videos. And it only has a capacity of 64 gigs, so eventually it will eat up the space of my mobile phone. That's why I really need something to store my files and, for future editing and other endeavor as well. So since my partner is an IT, I let him choose what laptop suits my needs, my budget, and something that will last for a long time. And he chose this ASUS TUF Gaming A15 laptop, specifically Fa506Ih model. So this is one of the cheapest ASUS TUF Gaming in their A15 series, as it costs 48,800 pesos only. I will put the link of the store in the description box so you guys can check them out. So without further ado, let's move. Tara!
The size of the box is 18 by 5 by 13 inches. Printed in front of the box is the ASUS TUF Gaming Alliance logo and its brand. On the right side is a sticker of the model number, serial number, other barcodes, and the warranty. The back part shows another set of barcode stickers and the international hotline. While on the left side shows the laptop's brand name. And lastly, the top part of the box has a carry-on handle. When you open the box, it will show you the actual laptop covered with a thin dust cloth. Inside the laptop is another thin layer of dust cloth. Two booklets are included in the box, one for user guide and one for warranty card. And lastly, it includes an AC adapter and a cable charger. This laptop is available in two colors, one fortress gray and this eye-catching bonfire black design accented with a crimson stripe. It has a dimension of 14.5 by 0.98 by 10.1 inches and weighs 5.07 pounds or 2.3 kilograms. All edges are really nicely rounded so nothing feels sharp and uncomfortable. The hinge feels really good and there isn't too much flex in the panel. The subtle honeycomb pattern around the base adds grip and echoes hexagon reinforcements around the chassis. Efficient self-cleaning cooling combines with TUF's signature military-grade durability. It ensures that each device's cooling system stays strong for the long run, while operating mode balances performance and noise levels for the specific task at hand. Two upgrade speakers pump out 1.8 times more sound with 2.7 times deeper bass for a richer audio experience. Connectivity is alright considering the price. This has one Type-A USB 2.0, one Type-C USB 3.2, two Type-A USB 3.2, and one HDMI port. The webcam is located at the top with a small bump on the lid. The nice thing about this is you can easily open the laptop with one hand. Its central processing unit is Amd Ryzen 5 4600H processor up to 4.0 GHz. RAM is 16 GB with frequency of 3200 MHz and is expandable up to 32 GB. It also features a 48 Wh battery for superior battery life. Arm yourself with a desktop-style keyboard. Uniform RGB backlighting lets you express your own unique style, while highlighted WASD accents give you a usual shortcut to key movement commands. The trackpad is a smooth plastic finish and will give you an easier navigation. Each key is durable enough to withstand over 20 million presses for superb long-term reliability and precision. Overstroke technology triggers higher in each keystroke for faster responsiveness and effortless control. As for the storage, it has 512GB M2 NVMe SSD with room for 2.5-inch SATA hard drive. Its operating system is Windows 10 Home. Moving on to display, it is a 15.6-inch Full HD IPS level with 144Hz widescreen LED display. With adaptive sync, the display's refresh rate synchronizes with the GPU's frame rate to reduce lag, minimize stuttering, and eliminate visual tearing for ultra-smooth and immersive gameplay. It has a screen resolution of 1920 by 1080 pixels, powered by NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1650 series GPU for real-time ray tracing and enhanced graphics.
So I am currently using the built-in web camera and microphone of this laptop, and this is how the keyboard sounds.
Though I have nothing to compare with this laptop, I am very happy with this purchase as I know I have a strong foundation to work with.
So that would be all for now. I hope you enjoyed and learned something. Comment your thoughts on this video and be part of my community by following my social media accounts, all at Fartidos. And if you did love this video, please hit like, share, and subscribe. And don't forget to ring the bell so you won't miss any of my videos. So, till our next part, see ya! It's because I don't have a person two upgrade speakers. It has two upgrade speakers.